Welcome to Creative by Nature Art and Life. Today I have some project shares along with a tutorial using some items I received from Beebeecraft. So let's get into it. Okay, I am going to have the video of my unboxing down in the description box below so you can check out all the items that I received. And I will also have the link to a video that I recently did, and it was a tutorial on how I made these beautiful lace flowers and tags, again using the items that I received from Beebeecraft. So today I'm going to be showcasing these two items. First up are these gorgeous beads. I love these so much. They are stunning. They are ceramic and they are painted. Aren't they just beautiful? So many gorgeous colors. And my daughter, she was too shy to do this on camera, but I wanted to show you what she made using those beads. And it's this beautiful little bracelet here. And she even created a slip knot. So I thought that was so beautiful. I'll show you how that works on your wrist here. My hands are big, so you'll have to excuse that, but there you go. Isn't it beautiful? And then you just pull like so to tighten it up. Okay, and then I made this really cute charm. And I made this tassel out of some really fun yarn. And I used the beads from Beebeecraft and I mixed in some regular beads that I had in my stash. And I thought I would try the ball pins out that I received again from Beebeecraft. The ball pins are so fun. There are so many in here and they come in so many fun colors. I added one gold and one pink just so you could see how it looks, because there is a bit of gold paint on the beads. So yeah, so you could attach this to anything you'd like with these little ball pins. Okay, so I am going to show you how I made this charm. And I already selected the items that I'm going to be using. So I've got these beautiful beads again from Beebeecraft. And they have a little bit of like a teal blue, as you can see there. So that was those ones right there. They're so pretty. And then I got out some beads from my stash that'll match. And then from the ball pins, I grabbed a silver and a white. And then using, again, from my stash, I have this really fun yarn in different shades of teal and white. And I am going to start off by making a tassel. So to make the tassel, I'm going to be using this plastic card. It just makes it easier. So I'm going to start off by wrapping it around the card approximately 30 times. Okay, so I wrapped it around 25 times. I just wanted to see the difference. This one was done 30 times, and I just want to do a comparison. So before you pull your loops off of your card, you'll want to get a nice long piece of string. You want it quite long. And then you're going to slip this underneath all your loops while it's still on the card. Like so. And then you can tie it off just once for now, and then I'm going to pull it off the card and pull tight, and then create your knot at the top, and that'll hold it all together. Next, you're going to take your scissors and cut through all your loops. There you go. Now you're going to need another strand And you're going to form the ball at the top right here by wrapping it around near the top. I like to go around twice. And then tie it off with a knot. Now you could leave those strands and kind of work them into your tassel if you'd like. I always just trim them off. It's just personal preference. There you go. There's your tassel. Okay, so now for the tricky part. You need to string your beads on. So I'm going to be using some tape. And I'm just going to wrap it around the tip of my yarn, and I'm going to roll it as tight as I possibly can get. You want to make sure that the tip is nice and narrow, like so. And then you can start to string your beads on. So you want to make sure the holes of your beads are big enough so you can do this a little easier. I made the mistake of trying a smaller bead and it didn't work. So I'm starting off with the teal, and then I'm going to use my ceramic one. Helps to twist and push if you're struggling to get the bead on a little. There you go. It is a tight fit, but it does work. If you're concerned, then you can just use something like embroidery floss or a thinner string than what I have used. So you're going to continue to add your beads in layers until you've got them all on. Okay, so I have all my beads on. Like I said, it does take a little bit of work if you're using a thicker yarn like I am. So if you're, like I said, if you're concerned, then go ahead and use a thinner string. So I'm just going to tie a knot at the very top of my last bead, and that'll help hold them all together. And then about, I don't know, about a centimeter up, I'm going to tie another knot like so, and then I'm trimming it off. Okay, so at this point you can decide on what color of ball pin you want to use. I'm going to show you with the white. You're just going to open it and put it in through that top loop, and then you can attach it to anything you'd like. I know my daughters would love something like this on their backpacks, or my other daughter was mentioning, she said, "Oh mom, that would look great on a bookmark." So yeah, you can use this for all kinds of things. And then I'll show you what it looks like with the silver. That's what's so great about these mixed colored ball pins, is that it makes it so much more versatile to be able to switch it out and customize it to whatever style you'd like. All right, so I want to thank you all so much for being here. I'm going to have all the links you need to make these items down in my description box, along with their website. I want to thank Beebeecraft for allowing me to try their products out. And again, this is part of their YouTube program, and I will have the link for that as well. So if you yourself are a YouTube creator, you can join in on the fun. Thank you all so much for being here. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.